What does it mean that addition is commutative? To commute means to move around. When people drive from their home to work, they call that their commute. When we say that addition is commutative, we mean that the numbers can move around in any order without affecting the sum. So 2 plus 3 has the same sum, the same result, the same answer as 3 plus 2. And if you think about this in addition problem visually, you can see that this property becomes obvious. If I start out with 3 apples and I add 2, I end up with 5 apples. And exactly the same if I start out with 2 apples and I add 3, I still end up with 5 apples. And this is called the commutative property of addition. And it's true for every addition problem, no matter how many numbers you're adding together. Even if we are adding several numbers together, the commutative property still stands. And so in a problem like this, where I've got 4 numbers that I'm adding together, 9 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7, the result would be exactly the same if I mixed all those numbers up and did 7 plus 3 plus 9 plus 4 or 4 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7. No matter what, in the order of these, I am going to end up in all of these with the answer of 23 once I add my numbers together in any order. Let's look at an example. Our problem says that Billy has 5 red socks, 6 blue socks, and 8 brown socks. Sam has 6 red socks, 8 blue socks, and 4 brown socks. And the question that we are being asked is, how many brown socks do Sam and Billy have? So we want to make sure that we look just at the brown socks. So let's go back up to our problem and underline the amount of brown socks that Billy has. He has 8 brown socks. Sam has 4 brown socks. So we need to add together 8 plus 4. So 8 plus 4 equals 12. And now that we know the commutative property of addition, we also know that we would have gotten the same answer, that we would get the same answer if we do Sam's socks for Sam's brown socks first, plus Billy's 8 brown socks second. If we did 4 plus 8, we would also get the same answer of 12.